What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about my very first dividend payment with Stag Industrial, ticker symbol STAG. Very excited about this particular dividend payment because it is my very first dividend payment from them, and I decided to purchase shares with Stag using margin investing. Now, once again, not a guru, nowhere close. I'm just someone trying to figure it out in regards to investing in the stock market, but I'm sharing my experience with you guys. So if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so like I said, not a guru. I actually decided to use some margin investing because if you have a certain amount of money in Robinhood or with any brokerage for the most part, they will extend to you some more money. And of course, you will be paying back interest on the money that you're borrowing. And you're going to be paying back this interest monthly. Now, of course, the interest accrues daily like anything else, but you're going to be paying the interest back monthly. And so on Robinhood, you're able to use margin investing. So if you borrow a certain amount of money, they're going to charge you 3%. So if you borrowed $100,000, that would be $3,000 for the year, and you would be paying the interest every single month. So you'd be paying a little bit under $300 every single month to borrow $100,000. Now, of course, Robinhood has to determine how much they're going to extend to you when it comes to margin investing, and that has a lot to do with the stocks in your portfolio as well as how much money you have in your portfolio in general. So right now I have on the screen my portfolio with Robinhood, and as you can see, it's currently valued at $294,000, and I am up today currently $6,242, mostly because of Apple and Tesla. Apple has gone up over $300 today, and I have a little over 1,200 shares, like 1,266 shares with Apple to be exact. And so, of course, 1,266 times $3 is a substantial amount of money. It's a little over $4,000. And so as a result of that, my portfolio is up once again right now, $6,255 as of the making of this particular video. So just to kind of give you guys an idea of what's going on with my portfolio, all time on Robinhood, I have invested since May of 2020, $254,000. And currently my portfolio is valued at $294,000. Now, let's be very clear. I invested $254,000, but of course you can see here in October of 2020, I was down $63,000. My portfolio was valued at $195 because I didn't know what the hell I was doing. I was trying to be a day trader and I was very delusional and I was down. So it's good to kind of go from, investing $254,000. I was down at $195,000, and now my portfolio is valued at $294,000. So currently I'm up $40,000, which is always good and exciting. However, I want to show you guys my position with Stag. And so currently, as you guys can see here, it says that my market value is $10,000. So once again, I invested using margin investing with Stag. And I'll show you guys when I bought my initial position here recently. So you can see here on February 10th, there was a buy for $10,000. I just invested $10,000 and I used margin investing to do so. Okay. So this is not $10,000 of my money. This is $10,000 that I'm getting from Robinhood, and I'm paying 3% on that. So just to kind of give you guys an idea of what 3% of $10,000 is. So we're going to do $10,000 times 3%. So that's $300, okay? And then we're going to divide that by 12. That's $25 a month that I will be paying to Robinhood in interest, right? That I'm going to be paying monthly, $25 in order to borrow the $10,000. Now, not a guru. I'm just kind of dabbling with margin investing. And this was one of the things that I decided to do with the margin that was extended to me through Robinhood. Okay. Now, if I sold all my shares with Stag, of course, I would kind of give back the 10 G's and I wouldn't be using that for margin investing. I wouldn't be paying the $25 a month. However, I think this is pretty neat. So I'm paying $25 a month with Robinhood, and I just got my very first dividend payment, as you guys can see here, on March 15th. And my first dividend payment, because I own 247 shares, they're paying basically 12 cents per share. My first dividend payment was $30.15. So once again, I'm paying Robinhood $25 a month, but my first dividend payment was $30.15. And Stag does pay monthly, so I'm very excited about that. And of course, I'm going to be notating my journey and sharing that with you guys. So I'm basically, in a way, I'm getting the margin investment of $10,000 from Robinhood basically for free, because my dividend payment with Stag was $30 and it's only going to continue to increase over time. So, there's like a $5 profit. Doesn't seem like a lot, but it's okay. I am here for the ride. So currently, as you guys can see, my average cost per share, I just bought 10,000 shares. So that was it. I made a purchase once. My average cost per share is $40.36, and my total return is 0.60%. So it's 0.60%. So I'm currently up overall $59.94 since I purchased Stag, which was back in February. I think February 10th is what I shared with you guys. Yep, right here, February 10th. So I'm very, very exciting. So basically, almost a month later, I received my very first dividend payment. And of course, because I have dividend reinvestment turned on, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed some more shares, which basically was a fraction of a share. It wasn't quite a full share. So as you can see here on March 15th, Robinhood was able to buy 0.75 shares, and it was for $39.99. Now remember, my average cost is $40.30. So that's really cool because they grabbed, well, $40.36. That was really cool because they grabbed almost a full share, of course, for $39.99. So that's really cool because it's bringing my average cost down a little bit. Okay, so that's very exciting. I just wanted to take the time to share this with you guys because dividend investing is probably one of the easiest ways to do well in the stock market, and you don't necessarily have to fret so much about the stock price going up or down because you're investing for the long term. And Stag is a very good company in which to invest because, of course, they have some big companies that they're kind of responsible for. Not responsible. Basically, Amazon is paying into Stag. They pay Stag because, of course, Stag has to do with industrial and warehouses and whatnot. So that's really, really cool. I'm very excited to get this particular dividend payment and to see kind of where it goes over time. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up as well. It really helps the channel a lot. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.